Hi, my name is Lisa Richardson from GammaAce.com. GammaAce, we work with women who are hardworking women, really like you, but who are stuck where they are, who are struggling to live the lifestyle, who dream of the lifestyle, but are finding it very hard to break the gap from where they're hardworkingly doing everything they think they should be doing to really getting the kind of life they like. Before attending James' masterclass, I was really struggling to get the right to reach out to my audience, because there is a lot of people. We are in a global market now. How do you get to someone who is looking for you but don't know where you are? So that was my biggest challenge, and I just realized there is social media, but when you know something is there and you've got no idea how to do that, you've tried so many other ways, you try someone to help you and it just doesn't work. You realize maybe it's about time you go to someone who you've heard, because I've heard James has worked with a friend and is doing very well. So I just thought, you know what, let me try, and it was so worth all the time I spent with him. The masterclass is going to change my business drastically, because the way James structures his workshop is he gets you to do things. So it's not just sitting there listening to a tech geek. You actually being tech with him, but in a very nice and friendly way. It just makes life so easy, because he shows you the very first thing, easiest thing that you can do. Some of the things that when you hear a technical person talking about, it's so scary, but James he just breaks it down. So I can't wait to finish the workshop, because we still have a day to go. I'm still excited tomorrow, but I already have a plan, because it gets you to plan the first thing you're going to do. So I've got my plan for the first thing that I'm going to do on Monday, and I know exactly which platform I'm going to work on, because James goes through with you to show you where you should start. I would definitely recommend this course to every business person, because in this world we are, you can't really be working in one place. Because even if you're going to work in one place, you want to be interacting with your audience, you want to be giving them like information, because you're an influencer if you're in business. So I don't see why anyone would not come on such a course, which is so simple. It's a technical course that is just made so simple that it's easy to follow.